Welcome back. On the boat, and I'm going to show you the current Dodger. This is one that I made about 12 years ago, and it's holding up really well. I just want to show you the reason why I'm making the new Dodger is basically because it's wearing thin in a lot of spots, and also the glass needs to be replaced. And with the amount of effort that would take, it's just easier to make a whole new Dodger, and it'll look a lot better. But the material is getting really thin, and so that's the reason why I'm making the new Dodger. So I just want to show you some of the details that I need to do forthcoming. I'm actually going to fit the new Dodger on the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out off the frame and then mark for the window. And then I need to mark on either side. I have these grab rails, so I need to mark for the holes. So I'll actually probably make the holes today, and then I'll sew the leather patch on when I get back to the house. So that's where we stand now. And I gotta say, it actually held up really well. Some things that I've changed on this one is the glass ends where the glass ends, and this is material down here. On the new Dodger, I brought the glass material all the way down to give this some reinforcement, because some of these are pulling out. So I figured, and the original one had the glass going all the way down. That's what gave me the idea. So I'm going to do that with this Dodger. So, and then on the inside, the other changes I made, like I said, this flap on the back is umbrella here, and it always gets dingy, so that's why I made this one out of vinyl this time. And this is the same thing I did up here. I did on the new Dodger. And the other change I made was this pocket on either side is made from Umbrella, which works well, but it tends to hold water if rain happens to get in there or whatever. So I made that out of Fibertex, which is a mesh screen-like material. So this is the view from inside, and it's a detail of the zipper. I need to make these straps to hold the roll-up window up. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And so I need to actually take these grab rails off, and then I actually need to remove these brackets that hold the grab rail, so I can measure for the common sense fasteners, or I can make those holes first, and then I can make the holes for the common sense fasteners around the perimeter. So I guess this isn't bad for 12 years old, I gotta say. So I just want to give you a quick update on this, and I will get back to you when I actually start getting the Dodger on. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.